video. It comes with your inputs, your charging inputs right here. This is your car and solar inputs right here. You have your DC button, AC button, power button. You have your DC output right here for a cigarette lighter, and also other ports for DC. You have 3 120 volt AC outlets. You have 2 fast charging or 65 watt USB type C outputs. You have 2 fast charge regular USB outputs. Guys, this is fantastic. Cell phone charging and a 3-mode switch in the back for a light. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So from the intro, I literally have all of my lighting on right now, under my hood, underglow. I'm talking about wheel lights, you name it, headlights, tail lights, the whole 9. And guys, what I'm here showing you today is something that I use all the time. Now, this is the one I currently use right here. It's in here. This is the Greasel power station. I never made a video on it because I just didn't have time, because when I got it, it was in the middle of show season and I was using it a lot. And what that is a 500 watt-hour battery pack. Now it's not bad. It was pretty good. It lasted me, but the problem is it went dead at shows like after around 5 to 6 hours, depending on the amperage that I was charging the battery at. Now guys, I have one battery here and another one in the trunk, and this charger that I have, it can charge at 2 amps, 10 amps, and 25 amps, and it is a very, very advanced charger. And the 2 amp mode is pretty much like a trickle charge. So what I would do is I would put it on a trickle charge while my car is on display at a show so it can last. But the problem is, as I said, I would have to be very, very careful. Like I would shut my my star lighting off. Like if nobody was around the car, I would shut the star lighting off because I wanted to try to save the battery of the power pack. So this one that I'm talking to you about today is from a company called AIVOLT. And AIVOLT, thank you so much for sending me this. This is the VP800. It was very neatly packaged, guys. It comes with the charging brick. It comes with a solar/car charger, and obviously it has a very thorough instruction manual, which is in the box. Now, if you notice right here, I made sure I charged it last night. It came like around 42% or 45% or so. It took about, I would say, 4 or 5 hours to bring it to a full 100%. And on the display, I don't know if you could see it. Oh man, I don't know if you could see the display, but the top left is the input. The bottom left is how much time is left, or how much time would be left to charge it, depending on what you have it doing. And you have the output in watts. Now it has right here, these buttons right here. These are your charging port inputs. These are the inputs for, like, if you were charging this from your car or solar panels. I think you could join up like 300 watt solar panels that can charge this. You have your DC button right here. You have your on button to turn it off. Just hold it down to power it on. Just press it once. You have your AC. So the DC looks like this. And the AC, when you press it, you'll see it all. It's a 60 hertz pure sine wave. It sucks that you can't see it, but what I'll do is I'll take a picture just to make sure. And right now, once I put it on AC, you see right here, it's 40 hours left. But remember, there's nothing really going on in there. Actually, the charger just came on, so it's actually there, but it's not charging yet because I didn't hit power on. So right now, my battery, it's at 12.5 volts right there. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna power the charger on soon enough. Now, as I said, all my lights are on. And by the way, guys, you have 3 120 volt AC outlets right here, and you have an emergency light in the back, which has 3 modes. And the cool thing about this as well, you have cell phone charging as well, which is actually pretty cool. So now, what I want to show you is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to power the charger on, because what I'm really here to show you is how much life this is going to have left, depending on the charge time and depending on the charge amperage. So I'm going to put this on 10 amps. I'm going to put it on 10 amps. The charger is going to kick on, and you're going to see this time left number start to drop. See it right here? It goes through a whole bunch of phases. It goes through 8 phases to make sure that, see, now it bumps up right there. What happens is at 10 amps, which is a quick charge, it'll take it into around anywhere in the high 12s to into the 13 voltage range. Okay, and look right here, you see the numbers dropping. Lower left hand corner, it's at 10 plus hours, 9 plus hours. Let it keep going. 8 plus hours, 7 plus hours. And if you notice right here, it's outputting like 184 watts right now. So it calculates it, it breaks down the calculation of how much watts is getting outputted to the car and how much time will be left at 10 amps. See the charging, it's at 12.9 volts, and this will get into around 13.1 volts, somewhere around it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this at 2 amps. I'm gonna put it at 2 amps to keep it trickle charged at around 12.5, 12.6, 12.7 volts. And what you're gonna see is this number on the lower left-hand corner starts to go up. And the number on the upper right-hand corner, if you notice, instead of 100 and something watts, it's only at 50 watts being outputted to the batteries. Remember, I'm also charging 2 batteries. And now, if you notice, it's going up. It's at 7 plus hours. Let's give it a little time. 8 plus hours. I think we're gonna see at least 10. I think we're gonna see at least 10 hours with this. Let's see. 10 plus hours. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. Wow, that is freaking wild. That is freaking wild. So, wow, 17 hours at 2 amps on a trickle charge. That's freaking crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. Now, guys, what you didn't know is that I left all my lights on last night and just let it sit there, and let me tell you, it performed well, like very well, very, very well. It's wild. And I'm telling you right now, this is freaking fantastic. So you got 17 plus hours, 50 watts outputting. Now, if you feel like it's not lasting at 12.6 and it's starting to drop a little bit, if it holds at 12.6, just leave it at 2 amps, because this is all it needs. It's on a nice trickle charge right now. If it starts dropping low to like around 12 volts, you're still okay, but you can always, well, I can always click it on 10 amps to boost the charge a little bit, and this will adjust accordingly. But 2 amps and you're getting 17 hours out of it? Wow. So I'm literally almost getting triple the time of this thing. The VP800, this is about 891 watt hours. This is a fantastic fantastic piece of equipment right here. Oh guys, I forgot to mention these 2 ports right here. You could connect another battery pack to this in parallel to boost your power capacity, so to speak. So you have that option to do that. But this is freaking fantastic. Look at this. I want to show you. As you saw from the intro, my star lighting, all my meteor is on. My tail lights are running. Look at this. Everything is running. Speaker lights are running. This is my battery back here, so it's at 12.5 volts. All my logos are running. As I said, this is freaking fantastic. This is freaking fantastic. Can't complain about this. This is a lot of, this is a lot. This is a lot right here. Yep. See it? All the meteors, all the star lighting in there is running. Fender vent lighting, wheel lighting. So this is a real bang for your buck, guys. Everything is gonna be in a link in the description. AIVOLT, thank you once again for sending this out to me. This is a fantastic buy at the price. Guys, also they're located on Amazon as well. They have an Amazon store. Check it out because they always have discounts. Discounts vary from time to time, but they always have discounts. And use it to your advantage. But guys, once again, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. There's a lot of lighting, lots of lighting in this car. And I'm talking about a lot. Everything pretty much lights up in this car. So guys, again, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. And I will talk to you guys soon. AIVOLT, thank you very much. Take it easy.